Welcome to our guide on the best ways to add curb appeal to your home. Enhancing your home's exterior not only boosts its luxury appeal, but can also significantly increase your home value and equity. One of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make is to paint your front door and shutters. A fresh coat of paint in a bold color can create a welcoming focal point and elevate the overall look of your home. Adding hedges or bushes along the front of your home provides a polished and manicured look. This landscaping choice not only enhances curb appeal, but also offers privacy and can increase your property's value. Incorporating flower beds or vibrant potted plants can infuse color and life into your entryway. Seasonal flowers are an excellent way to keep your front yard looking fresh and inviting through the year. Don't forget about outdoor lighting. Installing stylish light fixtures along your pathway or near your front doors adds safety and charm while highlighting your home's architectural features. A well-kept lawn is essential for curb appeal. Regular mowing, edging, and watering can make a significant difference, showcasing your commitment to maintaining your property. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your home's curb appeal, which not only makes a great first impression, but also contributes to your home value and equity over time. For more information, you can visit our website at hdcbuild.com.